People are making millions of dollars from prediction markets like Polymarket, and if you can manage to find some of these insider wallets as well as whales and just super profitable traders, you will have so much alpha and you can literally just copy them and make loads of money for yourself. But the hardest part is obviously finding these profitable wallets and insiders in the first place. So I thought I would make a video showing you exactly how I have been finding some really good wallets to copy trade so that you can do the same for yourself. Obviously there's loads of ways to do it. This is just the best way that I have found and some of the best tools that I have found that actually gives you really good data to track some of these wallets. And make sure to smash a like and subscribe, because in a few days I will put this strategy to the test. I'm putting $1,000 into a copy trading bot for 7 days straight and copying some of these wallets that I have found using this strategy to see exactly how much money you can make by copy trading insider and whale wallets on Polymarket. So stay tuned for that. But the three main tools that we will be using is Future.fun, the Polymarket website itself, as well as TradeFox. And if you watched one of my previous videos, I recently did a complete Polymarket copy trading bot speed test where Polycop came out on top. So that is the best copy trading bot on Polymarket at the moment. I will leave the link down below if you want some less fees. But right here on their bot, they do link this Discover Smart Money button. And that actually brings you over to Future.fun. So that is how I found this tool. But this is a great tool for analyzing wallets. They currently have over 1,400 great wallets on this website. You can sort it by PNL, by rank, score, win rate, return over volume, Sharpe ratio, profit factor, and you can also put your own filters on it if you want. But basically you have all of the key metrics here, and if you click on to any of these wallets, you will get so much data to analyze. You have all-time PNL, you have max drawdown, you have return on volume, you have daily win rate. If you scroll down, you have daily performance, win and loss analysis, advanced ratios, drawdown analysis. You have these charts of portfolio balance. You then have daily performance. You have cumulative growth on the account, and you have the current allocation breakdown. So this is so much valuable data, and it makes it so easy to find great wallets to copy. The only thing that Future.fun does not show is active positions and previous positions that these wallets have been in, but that's where TradeFox comes in. Because let's say you find an interesting wallet and you want to see what kind of trades they are doing, you can just copy the wallet address, head over to TradeFox, which is another great trading bot aggregator. They basically aggregate all of the prediction markets, put all of the trades in here, and you can easily trade on any predictions right here on TradeFox. So I will also leave the link to that down below where you can get extra cashback and less fees. But if you head over to this follow section, you can paste any wallet address in here and it will show up. You can then click onto it and you will see all of their current positions as well as all of their trade history. So you can see exactly what sort of trades they are doing. And with these two tools combined, you can easily get all the data that you need to basically decide if a wallet is good or not. On TradeFox, under this follow section, they do also have recommended traders. So this is a way to find even more wallets. And if you click onto any of these, as I said, you have current positions and trade history and PNL and stuff, but obviously you don't have all the other data that Future.fun has, but you can then just go the opposite way, copy any of these wallet addresses, go back to Future.fun. Now this is actually something I just found out for myself, but if I click onto any of these wallets, this is what you will see. But when I search this wallet that I just found on TradeFox and clicked onto it, seems that they are just releasing a new feature called Activity Analytics, which actually does show you in detail all of their positions. So click on Events and Positions, and you actually do get all of their positions with their PNL, volume, etc. You then have even more in detail analytics, and you can just see their current positions. So this is actually new to me when I'm recording this video. I had not seen this feature before. It obviously says new, so that makes sense. I'm not sure why it's just showing up on certain wallets, but I assume by the time this video comes out, maybe this feature will be available on all wallets. Hopefully it is. But the principle is basically still the same. Future.fun is by far the best wallet analysis tool that I have found for Polymarket, and TradeFox is also pretty good to have to search up any other wallets. Future.fun obviously do state at the top of their website that this is the alpha version, multiple features in development, including in-app trading and more, so you will soon be able to trade on this platform as well, and many other new features like this activity analytics. So if you want to check out Future.fun, I will also leave the link to that down below. But last but not least, Future.fun does have 1400 wallets, which is loads, but there are obviously certain wallets that you won't find there, and there is a manual way of actually analyzing wallets too, straight from Polymarket. So if you go on to any bets, you can scroll down to activity and you can see all of the trades, and if you hover over any of these wallets, it will show you positions, volume, and profit and loss. So this is another way to find more low-key wallets and smaller traders that might still be very profitable. Like this guy, for example, his one-day PNL is $356. He's doing very well on this trade, the Honduran general election. He's up 35%, over $300, and you can see all of his activity here. So that's obviously the more manual and standard way of finding wallets. But I believe with Future.fun and TradeFox and with the Polymarket website itself and the activity section, you should be able to find some incredible wallets, super profitable whales that you can easily copy and make a lot of money for yourself. And if you do want to copy any of these wallets, like I said, I did recently do a speed test, and Polycop is by far the best copy trading bot for Polymarket. So if you want less fees, I will leave the link to that down below. I am doing that $1,000 7-day copy trading challenge very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you have any questions at all, do let me know down below in the comment section. You can also join my Telegram down below in the description and ask me in there. Let me know what you want to see next on this channel regarding prediction markets. And if you have any other tools to recommend that you think I should make a video on, please let me know in the comment section down below. Now with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.